Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Ahoufedarocha. Thank you for coming back to watch another video from moi. And if you are new, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Please do join the fam and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so you do not miss another video from me. I'm very excited today because I'm collaborating with one of the #1 leading beauty cosmetic brands, no other than TTDeye's contact lenses. I was so honored for them to reach out to me because they have over 1 million followers on Instagram, so they're really big, really popular, and I have seen their contacts and I've been eyeing their page for a while. So I was really happy that they approached me and asked me to review and try out their lenses for them. So they've sent me 4 gorgeous colors, which I'm going to share with you guys today. I'm wearing one of them as we speak. My favorite out of the whole 4. They're all bomb, but you know when you've got your one that just stands out for you. So I'm going to be going through the contacts with you. Yeah, so if you'd like to see the contacts, the gorgeous contacts, then let's get into the video. So what I must say, what I really loved about this brand is their packaging. Their packaging was A1. I was expecting, you know, when you just have the contact lenses like this, you know, bougie as anything, just in the packet with a little box to go with it, and then there you have it. But no, they have changed the game. Like they mean business. Like when they say they're the #1 leading cosmetic contact lenses brand, they are #1. Guys, check out their packaging though. How cute is this? So it's got their logo, their name, the brand, the TTDeye, and I love the colors. It's just so colorful, and the box, the packaging was just A1. I was like, woo, okay, all right. Professional in that, stepping up the game. So when you open it up, you have, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but they've got stickers in here. I don't know what that's for, but yeah, they've got stickers here. Hello. And there's a chance to win free contact lenses. So post your photo or video tagging them and use the hashtag TTDeye to get a chance to win free contacts, guys. So yeah, you better try that out then. So that comes with it as well. And what I loved about them as well is that it's container where they're kept, and then it's got another container to go in it as well. So it's so cool. Plus it has also got the applicators to help you apply the lenses in your eye and to remove them as well. So I thought this was just A1. Okay, they've even got 2 types. Oh, I think one is to actually put in and one is to pinch to take it off. That is so good. So each lens comes with a packet as well. Okay, so this is how it comes. These are the 4 lenses that I was sent. I've also got some like little eye glitters in here, which I think is cute. They threw this in as well. This is cute. So their packaging was just A1. Okay, so I got the colors. I've got brown green, I've got Polar Lights blue grey, I've got amber grey, and I've got Real India. So these are the 4 I'm going to be showing you guys today. So yeah, that is the packaging. I'll give their packaging 5 out of 5 stars. It's not your usual contact lenses packaging, okay? And you are all going to get this sort of packaging when you purchase from them as well. So let's go into the try on. I did try on the lenses without makeup because it's advised that you don't wear any makeup when you're wearing lenses, because you don't want to, you know, get the contacts infected. So it's best to wear the contacts and then apply your makeup. So you're not going to see me with any makeup as I'm trying on the different contacts. And I do have a discount code as well, so stay tuned for that. I'll share that at the end, so don't worry, you are going to be sorted out by me, okay? So stay tuned and let's get into it. So the first color I'm starting off with is amber gray, which I think is so cute. It's so gorgeous. Like, I can't wait to try these lenses on with makeup. But here is the amber gray, and I'm going to zoom it in so you can see. the beauty of these. These are so gorgeous. And it really complements my skin tone. So black, dark skin girls out there, I got you covered. Oof. Next we have a brown green. I am loving these. Oh my days. I was a bit skeptical when I saw the green. I've never worn green before. I haven't tried on green contacts. So I was a bit, but I love how the blend, oh, is like a hazily brown color. And if you can see, the outline is green. It's got a green ring around the outside. I think it is so bomb. And this really, really complements, again, our skin tone. All the colors that I'm wearing today will definitely complement dark skin tone. So that's a plus. But so far, these are my favorite. Let's continue. Let's keep going and see if another one is gonna win these. Because right now, these have won for me. Okay, so these are Polar Lights Blue Grey, I believe. Yeah, Polar Lights Blue Grey. These are nice. I like these. A bit on the more bolder side, but I think it's cute. And I think if I have makeup on, if I've got a whole makeup look with these eyes, I think it will bang. Contacts look so different when you have makeup on. So I will be posting on Instagram, and I'll be doing makeup tutorials featuring these contacts so you can see them with makeup on as well. But yeah, this is cute. I like these. I wasn't sure at first. When I first put them on, they looked a bit bright, but no, I like them. It's like a bluey grey color. So that's Polar Lights Blue Grey. I saved the best till last. This was my favorite one. I wanted to wear this one last. I wanted to see if it can beat the brown green, and it tops the brown green just by a little, because I love the brown green as well a lot. But yeah, these are just bomb. Oh my, absolutely stunning. Grayish blue color, but then the ring is like an ocean blue color. Oh god, it looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna finish off my look with this one because I've already got it on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick try on. But yeah, all of the colors were lovely. My favorite being these and the brown green. And yeah, stay tuned for the makeup tutorial. Let's get into the rest of the makeup.
On my timeline, saw your picture on my timeline. Sunshine.
And that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed my collaboration with TTDeye contacts. I loved every single contact. I enjoyed creating this look using these contacts. The blue just screams spring. Spring is here, so I thought, why not add a pop of color? So I do have a discount code, so feel free to purchase and get some money off using my code. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Mwah, mwah. Stay fabulous.